Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can disable weather widget and the news task in the taskbar in Windows 11. So it's very simple, so I don't want to waste your time, so let's jump right into the video. So what you need to do is to go to this taskbar and right click and then goes to taskbar settings, and here in taskbar settings is very easy. Just tap on widgets and tap on disable, turn off, and now you don't have any widgets here, because if you go here hover over the rain coming here, you'll see this, and it's very annoying. For me personally, I don't use it. So yeah, that's how you disable widgets. It's very simple, just turn off, and now you don't have any widgets here. You can also turn off chat and task view and search bar. So that's gonna do it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more tutorials.